Hi, I am Smriti and you are watching Smriti's English classes. Before moving on, I want to say you if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my videos directly to your inbox. As you know, in this channel I share a lot of educational contents mainly related to English subject. But today I am going to a new topic. Excited to know what is it? So today I will discuss about how to celebrate this Teacher Day 2020. We all know we are facing a huge pandemic this year from March 2020. All school, colleges, technical institutes are closed due to this pandemic. As the Teachers' Day arriving shortly, one question is involving in everyone's mind. How to celebrate this Teachers' Day 2020? When a huge crisis is happening throughout the globe affecting every person. So today I am here to give you some ideas about how you can celebrate this Teachers' Day even there are obstacles through this path. So before I jump into those ideas, let's do some digging about Teachers' Day. So first of all, what is Teachers' Day and how it got started? We all know Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September in each year, which is also known as the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a former president of India. He was the first vice president and also the second president of independent India. He was born on 5th September 1888 in Tiruttani, a small town in Tamil Nadu. One of India's most distinguished 20th century scholar of comparative religion and philosophy, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan also served as a professor in various Indian and international colleges. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. When he became the President of India, some of his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. In reply, he said, instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. Since then, his birthday is being celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. So now you know about what is Teachers' Day and how it got started. Obviously, a question might just come into your mind, what actually happened in this day? So moving to my next part, what happens in a Teacher's Day? Teacher's Day is being celebrated in each and every study institute as well as in other various institutes. In this day, students organize various surprises for their mentors, teacher guides. Various function programs took place in school, colleges, universities for celebrating this day and giving respect to the teachers. So now you get an idea about what actually happened in a Teacher's Day. But this year 2020 is a very unlucky year as I have seen it till now. You might be surprised why I am saying this because a lot of things situation changed in previous 6 months. A COVID-19 is harming every section of society, especially the students. We all know every educational institute is closed for about 6 months. Students are doing everything from their home. In this situation, what will happen to the very special day which is just knocking our door? Yeah, I am talking about Teacher Day. We all know that Teachers Day 2020 might not get celebrated in the same way as it got celebrated till 19. Don't worry, I am going to share some super easy tips for only you. So what you can easily celebrate this Teachers Day even though you're stuck in your home. You can use these tips to make this day special and celebrated it as you celebrated Teachers' Day in 19. First tip, create a photo collage. Team up with other students and prepare a photo collage of students and teachers and send it to your teachers. Second tip, send them a digital e-card. If you are not comfortable in making one, make a normal handmade card and send a pic wishing him Happy Teacher's Day. Third tip, create a personally thanking video. It might need some short and technical ideas, but it's easy to do, believe me. This idea will bring tears in your teacher's eye. I am pretty much sure about it. Your teacher will love it. Express your feeling towards your teacher in it. You can also tell your other friends to send their videos to you and you can collage it and send it your teachers. This video will make your teachers feel how much important they are in their students' life. And I am pretty much confident that your teacher will just love it. Tip 4. Create a voice recording about his importance in your life and how much you learn from him and care him also. Send it to teachers immediately. I am sure he will surely love it and you might get a really back from his side. Tip 5. Create an artwork. If you are a good artist or you know how to express your feeling through a drawing or some sort of crafts, then you must try it. Try to make some drawing showing your immense love and care for him. Also try to put your effort in showing his importance in your life. You will just love it for sure. If you do not know how to draw, don't worry, it's okay. There are other things also you can do. You can prepare or make some sorts of crafts, gifts, etc. for your teacher and make them delivered to your teacher. Now if your teacher is staying at a longer distance where your gift cannot be delivered right now, you can also click a picture of your gift and send them this picture with saying Happy Teacher's Day. Later you can send them the gift. Tip 6. Use your creativity. If you are a creative person, then just do not waste your time. This year is the best time of year to use your creative skills because you know it's now and never. Now, how can you use your creativity in Teacher's Day? You might be thinking about it. It's simple. Don't always go for overthinking because sometimes you can do a lot of work just in a bit. So you can write down a poem using your skills, dedicate for your teachers. If you are a good poem creator, you can also write a story about your journey and how your teacher is acted with it. That's hardly a 13 minutes work if you are right about it, I guess. Tip 7. Dressing up. You can also do some dressing up just like your teacher does and send it to your teacher. Okay, if you want something different, you can also try doing some activities he does while teaching or in simple words, just copy him. Make a video recording of your activities while copying him and send it to him. I believe he will love your activity and you might get nose. Tip 8. Dedicated a song. If you are a good in a songwriting, then it's the best time to use your skill in making a song and dedicating it to your teachers, appreciating them through a song or expressing your love, affection towards him. After preparing the song, you can sing it or click a pic of this song and send it to your teacher. You can also prepare a whole recording of this song in your own voice or a group song with other students and send it to your beloved mentor. Tip 9. Write a letter of appreciation. You can also write a letter expressing your love and respect towards him. In this letter, you can also include some reasons why you love your teacher, some keynotes about what you learned from him. You can write it in own handwriting or you can make it typed in computer, laptop or whatever device you have. You can also include some important moments of you with him. It will be much more interesting if you are right about a moment you love or you remember which is not aware of. You know why? Because it might make him happy or full of blushes while reading your letter. He might pick up his phone and call you. I believe getting a call in Teacher's Day from your teacher talking with you about that moment he just got to know and he expressing his feeling with you is not it cool? It might make your day also. Now the last tip, that tip number 10. Email a gift card. As world as well as India is moving toward digitalization. Mostly everyone is using an Android phone and most of us use it for entertainment purpose. But the best thing you can also use it to celebrate the Teacher's Day just by giving some minutes to create a gift card online. And if you do not know how to make it online, you can also make it yourself or taking help for someone. And when the gift card is ready, you just need to use your phone to send it directly to your teacher's inbox. Okay, so I am telling you here you can email him the gift card, but you can also send him through various social media platforms and just write down Happy Teacher's Day. It's so simple. So here are some of the tips I believe that will make your Teacher's Day celebration perfect even if you stuck in your own home. So what are you waiting for? Go first, use those tricks and make your teachers feel more special. I hope you will like these ideas. If you get any interesting idea to your mind on how to celebrate Teachers Day 2020 online, do share it with us in comments. Also, share your thoughts with me about these ideas I shared just now with you in the comment box. If you think these ideas can make your Teacher's Day special, do like my video, share it with your friends so that you can also make their Teacher's Day special just like you. If you are watching me, please subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of such interesting videos. And a thanks of those people who have already subscribed my channel. Stay tuned with me for such amazing contents. Stay home, stay safe.